Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Motocaddy M3 GPS electric caddy trolley for golf and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the screen not responding or lagging, or if it's not working the way it's supposed to, if it's not getting a signal, stuff like that, a lot of those things can be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because it will wipe everything off of this and it will be like it just came out of the box. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or getting a used one, or just, for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start as if this were a brand new device coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that very easily. We're going to do that straight from this little control screen on it. We're going to select the settings menu, and then from settings, we're going to select to reset all settings. And then it will ask us to confirm that. We'll hit yes to confirm it, and then it will reset everything, and then we can just hit close to close out the little window, and we'll be back to the beginning, to the initial screen with a fully reset device.